Welcome to Samson International Marketing Agency, manufacturer and exporter of their gas, refrigeration compressors, and spare parts. The company was established in 2001 at Pune. We deal in LE, Grasso, Sabro, and other brands. Our stringent quality products and reasonable prices help us to serve to defense, railways, cement, and other industries. We offer a huge gamut of compressor, WABCO railway compressor, and compressor replacement spare parts. Compressor spares and Grasso compressor spare parts are well known for their durability. Our compressor filters, compressor pistons, and assemblies are extremely reliable. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing compressor valves and bearings. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of compressor crossheads and compressors servicing services. Along with that, we offer compressor cylinder parts and crankcases that are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. To know more about us, please visit our website www.samsoninternational.co.in.